Okay, here we go, and this is the trunk server activating going up. So once the trunk server has been fully opened or extended, the next step is for the ramp to come down. This can be automatic, but right now we have a manual slide. So again, the ramp extending would be an automatic function as well, but we've also incorporated another automatic function in which you attach a cable to the zipper and you activate it. And once you attach the cable to the zipper, it will automatically come up. As you can see, it's coming up, slides up. So now it's time to just, we can do it, automatically. So there could be a motor where the ramp automatically folds up. In this case, we'll go ahead and do it manually. Automatically folds up. Slides in. And then just one more switch as it folds back into the trunk. Again, this is our, dare we call it crude model, but it is. But it's functioning. And there you have it, the trunk server helping people with the zipper.